this is Sophie, a French girl from Dominican Life. Today we're located in Sosua, a little bit on a hill, but very close to the town, very close to the beach, and I'm going to show you a beautiful house, all renovated, and you have to come and see that, so come with me. This is a beautiful home located in Sosua. Like I say, is a house all renovated, beautiful decoration, all wood all around, huge pool. You have the option to make a little apartment if you want, because you have a separate entrance. If not, it's a big house for a big family, great location, beautiful view of the ocean. So if you need more information, click the link below. Subscribe, share, and like, and I see you soon.